Everybody fucked him over every time, dude. And he's right, oh, what's happened? Like, he went and bought a house and fucking lived with her, and she got 70 grand, man. I heard, the last I heard was 100 grand out of him when he sold the fucking house.
Alright.
Yeah, sucked him up for everything he had, man.
Your brother?
She was just getting pumped all fucking around the fucking town. Yeah. He's still now, but I told him, I said, hey, fuck, mate. What do you expect? No, he's just too easily taken, mate. Like, yeah. And it's a shame for him, but like, if you're that vulnerable, man, look what the fuck happens, man. Hey?
Got any other funny stories?
Alright, I've got another one. Here we go. Just keep this one a little bit quieter today. A mate that I work with, right, in the sheet metal factory, is my team leader. Kev goes, oh, fucking, hey, Jono, I was around fucking my mate's place the other night, and Bet's mate's place, and the women are cooking dinner and shit. They're all about to get married and shit, man. They've been with each other for 10 years, but the girls are in cooking fucking dinner and shit. This mate takes him out to the balcony, right? He goes, how's this, man? After 10 fucking years, I finally fucked my missus up the arse, man. Nah, but how's this, right? He goes, but after that, I had 2 weeks of my knob passing out with this shit, man. Fucking blah, blah, blah. Fucking my knob was so sore and stinging and fucking all this pus is dribbling out my cock. Right? He said, oh, fucking the doctor came in with his tweezers and went straight down my fucking cock eye and pulled out a corn kernel, man. I said, don't you hate it when the corn kernel gets there, the kernel gets there first? Right? Nothing was said to his missus, man. Right? Nothing. But, mate, that has spread that far. I was over in Victoria and one of my mates said, how's this for a joke, man? There's this dude that fucking had a pussy dog. And fucking, they brought a corn kernel out of his fucking knob because he fucked it. And I'm like, dude, man. And his missus still don't know about it. You know, like, he told everyone else. But, and it's just like, man, now it's on eBay, everything, man. And she's the only one left out.
Couldn't she realise when she looks at his cock and there's a big swollen gob on there?
Oh, no, it's a funny story.
John, you got a mate?
You got Jackie's rider? Yeah, me rider, mate.